Also, guys, just a quick update on the GameStop swing that we had that I actually bought October like 29th, I think, or I think early no, October, I bought it October. I think I bought it here. Where did I buy it? 1184. So that means I probably bought it somewhere between here, October 29th down to here. Currently going up. So I actually bought the swing. My algo actually told me to buy right here in this range. It went down a little bit, currently going back up. I am probably going to hold it up until the $13 mark. Maybe I do have a sell limit for actually, no, I don't even know why I have the $12 sell limit. I'm going to take that off, but I do think it's going to hit between the range of 13.30 and 13.83 again. I'm probably going to take some profit off of there and leave the rest of it to run. And the next profit I'm going to be taking at $15. I don't even know why I have this. I'm going to cancel this limit, so that's weird. But yeah, currently my position is about 4K right now, and I'm up about 1%. I am looking at making the 10% gain from this, so I'll make like maybe $400 if it does hit $15 again. So just a quick update. I'll see you guys later.